Ready to unlock a goldmine of real estate data from Redfin with the power of automation? First, head over to Apify.com, your gateway to web scraping solutions, and create a free account if you don't already have one. It's quick and painless. Once logged in, navigate to the Actors section, which is where you'll find pre-built web scrapers designed to tackle specific websites like Redfin. Use the search bar in the Apify store and type Redfin to discover the various Redfin scraper actors available. We are going to pick the Redfin scraper. After selecting the Redfin scraper, you will see an input section where you can customize your scraping task. Here, you define your search criteria like location, property type, and desired filters to tailor the scraped data to your needs. Click the Run button to start the scraping process. The actor will begin extracting data from Redfin based on your specified inputs. Watch as the scraper diligently gathers information such as property details, pricing history, and market trends. The data is displayed in real time, giving you a transparent view of the extraction process. Once the scraping is complete, click the Export Results button. You have multiple formats to choose from like CSV, JSON, or Excel, allowing you to seamlessly integrate the data into your analysis tools. Congratulations! You've successfully scraped Redfin data using Apify, empowering you with the insights needed for in-depth real estate analysis and informed decision-making.